Hello my dear, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you 3 best ways to keep your man to be in love with you. Yes, 3 best ways to keep your man to be in love with you. So let's begin. I have seen most of these ladies of nowadays that they can't maintain their marriage. They can't maintain their relationship just because of one issue or the other. But the most important thing is for you to have 3 tips that you use to hold your marriage or to hold your relationship so that you will enjoy it. What do you gain when you are in a marriage or you are into a relationship but there is always quarrel, there is always misunderstanding? What do you gain? So the best thing is for you to apply these 3 best ways so that you can make your man to be in love with you. What are these 3 best ways? The 3 best ways are: number 1, respect your man. Respect a man. If you are married, it's not easy for a man to change your name to his name. At least appreciate that. No, I am not saying it because I'm a man, no, but I am saying it to make a peaceful home for each and every one of us. So respect a man. If you really want your man to be in love with you, please respect your man. How do you respect your man? You can respect your man through stop scolding on your man. When there is misunderstanding, stop scolding on him. It turns men away, and once a man turns away, it will be hard to restore that love. It will be hard to get him back. So don't scold on your husband or on your man. No matter what, any challenges or failures or any disappointment, don't scold on him. Rather, tell him, I love you. It will make him to stick with you. It will make him to know that yes, he has a good woman. If you can do all these things, the man will know that definitely you are respecting him. But when you scold on him, he might not tell you, but you know that you are not respecting him. So the best thing is for you to be humble on your man. Every man loves a woman that loves him. Every man cherish and adore every woman that respects him. So women, learn to respect your husband. You can also respect your husband through washing his clothes, though he can wash your own too. I am not saying all these things that it is only women that will be respecting their husband. No, it is a vice versa. But today's video is how, or 3 ways that you can apply, 3 things that you can apply, or 3 qualities that you can apply to make your man to be in love with you. That is the topic for today. So always be humble and respect your man. You can also respect your man by washing his clothes, and he can wash your own as well. Don't interrupt or object his decision. Both of you can take a decision together, but don't interrupt him. Allow him to take his decision. Allow him to do his wish. When he fails, he will know that you told him. And that is when he will realize that you are respecting him, because you did not interrupt or you did not go far stopping him. You allow him to exercise or express his power as a man. All these things are part of respecting a man, so that you will be in love with him and he will also be in love with you. So that is that. Number 2 is, as a woman, do the right thing at the right time. So many ladies procrastinate, especially in terms of house chores, domestic work. Who are you keeping it for? Who do you want him or her to do it for you as a woman? Do you know that clean environment is next to godliness? Clean environment attracts good health. Unclean environment can cause disease, or it is very, very harmful to health. As a woman, why can't you clean up or tidy up your environment? Some women always procrastinate. Some will say, no, I will do it tomorrow. Who are you leaving it for? Do your work as a woman. Some men don't know how to talk. They don't know, in fact, they don't have the ability to talk much. They will say all those things and they will be speechless. But inside them, they know that you are not doing well. So do not procrastinate. Hold on to your womanhood. Show that you are the best. Do your work. The more you carry out your daily task, the more you are telling the man that you are a woman of virtue, a woman of great quality. And no man will despise any woman of great quality. No. Just do all these things. Do everything at the right time. There is time for everything. Do not procrastinate, so that you will keep your man in love. You will make him to always say that, yes, he has a good woman. All these tips are very powerful. Just apply them. It will work. If you want your man to be in love with you, just apply them. Do the right thing at the right time. Once you do it, the man will stick to you. But once you don't do them, it will turn a man off. And before you can get a man, it is very hard. Before you can get that person that you like or that will love you, just like this current man you are living with, my brother or my sister, please, it will be very, very hard. So you better stick to this one and respect him. Do the right thing at the right time so that there will be no misunderstanding. So the final one, that is the third way you can use to make a man to be in love with you, is to respect his family members. Some men don't tolerate it once you come to family members, just like the brothers, the sisters, siblings, mother, that's the parents. Some men don't like their women to despise his family members. Even I too, I love my family members, and I will also love my wife's brothers and sisters, even her parents, so that everything I am saying here is a vice versa, please. But the topic of today is how to make your man to be in love with you, or the 3 best ways to make a man to be in love with you. So the topic here is for men, please. So as I'm saying, don't despise his family members. There are some women that are very, very nagging. They don't want to see people around them, especially women that their husband has made money. They want to gain everything. They want to eat everything. They don't want anybody to come closer, because she might be thinking that this person will come and collect money. This person will come and collect money. But your husband has it enough. Why can't you give people? Why can't you accommodate people? Don't despise anybody. Accept his family members, and he himself will accept yours. That is where and how to keep your man to be in love with you. A man will be at peace when the woman is a good woman. A man will be at peace, or a man will be in love with a woman when the woman is doing her job perfectly. So in everything you are doing, just believe that if you want to keep your husband, there are so many things that you need to be doing. It will keep him. No woman will take him out or away from you. Once you are doing the right thing, he will still be with you. Nothing will stop it. So please do your part. I believe with all these trees, you can get it, or you can keep your man to be in love with you. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe once again. Thanks for watching.